Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to see how you can create your own Galaxy avatar in Samsung Galaxy A17. So let's start. First you need to go to your settings, then scroll down and go to advanced features. From here you will see Galaxy avatar option. Tap on it and tap on this plus icon to create a new avatar. Now from here you can see there are two more options from which you can take a selfie, a direct camera picture, or you can select any image from your gallery. But from here you can swipe left or right to select pre-made avatars. Let's say I like this one, so just tap on it and it will take few seconds. Now from here I can also customize it, but I like it, so tap on save. Now let's create another avatar with the image. Tap on this icon. From here you can also take a picture or simply select an image from your gallery. Let's say I like this one. Select gender, and now as you can see my own avatar is created. So I hope you like this video. If you do like, please hit like, subscribe, and I will see you in next video.